your name again? Anawan. This is our driver for today on our tour.
Anything that you can offer, that's we wish all the sweetness will come to our life.
Okay.
And also that's what we do to share, symbol of sharing. So we put crackers or chips, anything. That's a small animal. Either that's the rooster, chicken, or ants. They come to eat them. So just symbol of sharing.
Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
Coffee is the color is black, so symbol of the darkness.
Gotcha.
So if you have something else instead of coffee, you can do it as well. But you know what? Everything is what we have to offer here.
Typical Balinese house.
So the gun is this aling-aling. We call it's the symbol to protect the house from the negative energies or to blocking all the view from outside. Like there's a statue. It's a symbol of one of our Lord. It's called Ganesh or Ganesha. And as you see, all the house inside the building here are located in a separate location, right? And they have their own function. Maybe back in a state, your house and your building will be one big building, and everything's in there. But for us here, we try to make it different. And here, this concept we got from Buddhism, what they call it Feng Shui.
Feng Shui.
Feng Shui.
Yeah, Feng Shui.
So that's what we use, but just it's like we're just using a different name. So it's called Asta Kosala Kosali in Bali.
Okay.
Right? It's called Asta Kosala Kosali, and each building they have their own function.
So like the husband and wife is sitting in those chairs right there, like for a wedding ceremony.
For the wedding, yeah. Proceed from the field.
Oh wow.
Oh, they store all the rice.
Like I said, like the rice would be our main food in Bali, so we eat a lot of rice.
I love rice.
Before you put rice in your food. Maybe like for Italian people, they do we have this temple here where we keep the symbol of our ancestors. You see this temple?
Yeah.
The black rock there with the cross on the top. So that's where we keep the symbol of our ancestor. Not the
beautiful.
ash. The ash we spread it to the ocean. So we use it in this way. But we build a temple. It's like a bit of Buddhism. By the Buddhism way, they will keep the ash of their ancestor in there. They have an altar.
We learned that in Bali, each village specializes in something specific. So the Bali house we visited, their village specializes in jewelry making. So they showed us how to make all those jewelry, and then we were able to go to their jewelry store and purchase some earrings there.
Here, the design we use the wire, silver wire.
Yeah, I know they are cute. They don't know they're about to be baking. Yeah, sausages.
And this is the Robusta coffee tree. Robusta, the leaf is more bigger, but the size of coffee bean little bit more smaller. And for the taste, Robusta, the have taste is stronger. Arabica, the taste is more soft, but little bit sour.
Okay.
Got it. Oh,
Inside the cage, we have the special animal. So this animal in Bahasa, we call it luwak. Luwak. Luwak.
lua.
The animal, the type of nocturnal animal, so they're more active on the night time. On the day, they are more sleeping.
Okay.
And later, if season coffee, they will eat the good quality, the coffee cherry, like the red color and sweet. Later, they swallow and fermented on the stomach. And later, the poop, the whole bean, we call it, and we do process for the coffee.
Wow. Ooh. Baby, you can try it?
No, I don't want that.
And here we still growing like
Ginger.
ginger, turmeric. Later we use the roots and we make
the real
it for
deal.
That's why my tea, my drink is delicious.
This is we have example the poop they looks like from animal.
Wow.
So they come out like this before we
look at
clean. This is after we clean, after we wash. Later the first step of that one we wash with hot water 5 until 6 times and we dry. After we dry, later we need to separate like this. We separate because the animal they eat only the Arabica coffee because Arabica they have the more softer the taste. Yeah. And normally the coffee they have two gender, male and female, or single bean and double bean. So that we separate forget the different taste. We roasted the coffee 1 kilo. We do around 30 minutes. Become the color change dark and aroma come out. And this is the male luwak coffee, the single bean. We have the welcome drink for you. We have 14 type of regular coffee and tea. Coffee number 1 until 4, that one black coffee like I showed you before. Toraja coffee, Gayo Aceh, Kintamani Arabica, Kintamani Robusta. Number 5 until 9 is coffee with flavor. They mix already with soya cream and coconut sugar for the sweetness. And number 10 until 14, that one is tea. The sweetness also they coming from coconut sugar. So you can taste first. Tata, which one you like?
Try the coffee and the cheese.
Coffee tea time. And the coconut coffee. Let's see. Let's give it a little sip. I'm not a big fan of coconut, but that's pretty good.
So this is the Toraja.
I can't pronounce the name of the coffee, so I'm gonna let my wife pronounce that. Toraja. Oof,
It's strong.
that's really strong. That'll wake you up for sure.
That's like the Gayo.
Gallo Eke. Did I just make that up? Probably just make that up. Cheers.
It's like the point of it is to go from strongest to the lightest, right? Because I feel like that one's really
Yeah.
strong and this is being a little bit lighter.
It's pretty hot out here, so. And we drinking coffee, so.
And next is our vanilla coffee. It's like a vanilla latte. I think they put like some sort of cream in it. What she was saying. To give it that sweeter flavor.
That's really good.
Favorite
That's
vanilla
something.
lattes.
Yeah. That's something I'll buy right there.
And then I think this one might be for you too.
Yeah, it's a chocolate coffee. And if you know me, you know I love chocolate.
Kind of similar to the vanilla cake. I don't know.
Very similar. Tastes the same. So chocolate and vanilla. It's pretty much the same thing.
Then we have ginseng coffee.
Ginseng.
How long is that? Such a weird. That ginseng is like, I don't know. Doesn't seem like it goes for coffee.
Next one is we have avocado coffee. Let's see. It's funny. That tastes like vanilla coffee, but it's really good. I really enjoy it. Yeah.
The sweeteners.
Right?
You taste the avocado in that. I can taste the avocado flavor in it.
Do you like it? I did too.
Okay. Turmeric tea.
So tea time.
I love it. That is so good. Gosh. The turmeric can sometimes be like a little, not so much flavor, but it's like little.
I'm gonna give that 5 raw sizzles.
And this is my favorite ginger tea. I love ginger tea. Yeah, it's super strong. And then we went to a place last night, and I got a ginger beer. And it wasn't like a ginger beer at home. It was like real ginger.
That's
So good.
that's ginger for sure. Lemongrass. I think that'll be good.
And that's good. It has like some honey.
I do like that. Very fresh. I might buy a bag of that. My favorite, honestly, I really enjoyed the avocado coffee. It's really good. Better than the chocolate coffee, and I love chocolate. But
And better than vanilla. Oh,
yeah, but avocado coffee is the way to go.
And
for sure.
I think my favorite was definitely like the ginger tea and the turmeric tea. delicious.
So I guess she's giving it 5 sugies.
Let's get it up your lady while you're waiting. Wow.
Oh my gosh,
Wow.
this is big. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good.
We stop you now.
Wow. Wow, look at that, babe. I don't even see this guy, look.
Not the same with your country. Over there, this more faster. Here slowly.
Well, it's there's so many motorbikes. That's
Yeah,
we're not
and
used
then,
to that.
and then small,
And small
or narrow
roads.
street. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be a great driver to drive here for sure.
Morning sun warms my face. In this place I feel grace. Birds sing with.
Here we visited Tirta Impul Temple. It's one of Bali's most sacred temples, and it's a place that many people visit from all over the world to cleanse their body and their spirit of negative energies. It was really one of the most peaceful times we had in Bali.
Gratitude guides my way. Smiles grow hearts feel light. Blessed light in the simple things.